Hello friend, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm making a family favorite recipe, which is a super moist coconut loaf cake. For this recipe, you will need 1 cup of flour, 1 cup of desiccated coconut, and 3 teaspoons of baking powder. Next, you will need 1 cup of oil, 1 cup of plain yogurt, 1 cup of sugar, 3 eggs, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence. Grease a loaf tin and dust with flour. Set aside until it's needed. Preheat the oven to 175 degrees Celsius. Next step, sift the flour and baking powder into the mixing bowl. Add in the desiccated coconut and mix well, making sure to remove any lumps from the coconut if there are any. Set the bowl aside until later. In a blender, add the remaining ingredients: your sugar, yogurt, 3 eggs, oil, and vanilla essence. Blend the mixture until smooth. Next step, mix the wet ingredients into the flour mixture and blend together with the spatula until it is well combined. Make sure that you do not overmix. Pour the batter into the prepared loaf tin. Bake for approximately 25 minutes. You can test to see if it is done by using a skewer to poke the cake. If the skewer comes out dry, then the cake is done. Cool before removing from the loaf tin. Slice and enjoy. I hope you will try this delicious recipe. Thank you for watching.